nothing less. Lead me to my.
And the 73rd anniversary of Yewa Egbado College, the school of great distinction, the school that cannot be compared to other schools. When we say Yewa College, either in Nigeria or anywhere, we say Yewa College and the others.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up, stand up for the champions.
Distinguished gentlemen, I'm pleased to welcome you to the year 2024 biannual general meeting of our session, which marks the completion of another tenure of education of current national executives. Once again, I have the opportunity by the grace of God, to have the national school, to have the account for our stewardship, to end up in November 2023. But the proper management, the Yewa committee was advised during the Founders Day 2023 to conduct another election to fall within our next Founders Day, which is today.
That Egbado College is now a force to be reckoned with. As I'm talking to you, some of our students are with Baba Lafoja preparing for sports. In addition, I want to appreciate our 2 or 3 families. Your Terry graduate, maybe Baba Kela will help us with that. It was through him that gathered most of those students in his house in Lagos.
So I'll start with the annual dues. When we came in 2019, the balance on the account of the national account was 195,591. That was a takeoff that we had. So from that time till now, the total money received from annual sales was 5,740,000 naira.
I want to implore the incoming EXCO to have a listening ear, to be more, to submit themselves to whoever is the principal of the school. They should work hand in hand and they should work together.
I want to commend the outgoing EXCO for doing a great job, leaving your own work to serve us, God to serve you, and God will reward you.
The design of the brand new school of the course, brand new school.
Stand up for the champions, for the champions. Stand up, stand up.
I think that's one of the to become the president of this administration. There's no winner, there's no loser.